and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. SSA teachers urged for salary release amid staff strike. Ribo College hosts Exploring Opportunities training program. Man survives multiple falls in Joai. And Chief Minister inaugurates PA Sangma Rongjeng Model Degree College. And now the news in detail. In a recent update from the All Meghalaya Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA School, the delay in government salary payments has been addressed amidst ongoing strikes by non-teaching staff. On August 19, 2024, Aristotle Rambai, president of the SSA Teachers Union, voiced concern over the impact of the strike on teachers' salaries. While Rambai acknowledged the right to strike, he emphasized that such actions should not impede the timely release of salaries for SSA teachers. He urged the government to implement effective mechanisms to expedite salary payments. Rambai highlighted that while some teachers may manage temporary delays, the current situation is unsustainable for many. He stressed the need for regular salary payments as per previous agreements with the government, underscoring that consistent delays are increasingly difficult for SSA teachers to endure.
Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body kawai na kaseng jungki noi kai SSA for Jilla Meghalaya diwan hangne ban pensyai katu kene ki benta tiba nagaliang jungi ni yo iba kini ki kendian sengi kilami haki la thai khubor berkunjung haki social media halor ka jing syakset ani ka jing syabat katulok jungi noi kai SSA namanta jong penai Julai arja apusau aku ba piniti bhi ba nagaliang jungi ka Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body haka Hendrik jong penai August arja apusau nginale ikindo yo state project director isar swapnil tembe agabangi la somitu da kajingko kabangi la dawa na kaliang jungi ba day ban pelai no marmar ya kami katulok cungi kino hikai SSA nagbenta jumnai Julai hang jing kedua jungi ba state project director akan dipilih jumnai August ada pusat ila yo ya kejingtip no ba kajing slam ban pelai ya kami katulok jungi kino hikai SSA jumnai Julai ada pusat kadai na kadau ba kini non teaching staff kidon kajing ki but puli thoro yang iba kumba kalong nakaling jong ka state government kala dep ban sanction ya kabisa na penta ban siu ya tulok jong na Julai nado ka apusan trik jong na Julai araja apusau but kalong ek ba penengo ini association ha bang yo jingtip bayar katulok jongi la delay ni da withhold tang ni daw ba kadon kajing ki jong kini kinon teaching staff hoi ni na kalian jong association nim don ban control.
On August 19, 2024, Ribo College Nongpo hosted a training program themed Exploring Opportunities, organized by the Entrepreneurship Development Center EDC and the Internal Quality Assessment Cell IQAC. The event was inaugurated by Abhilash Baranwal, Deputy Commissioner of Ribo District. Principal W. Nongkandri and IQAC Coordinator Benny also participated in the opening ceremony. Students from various schools across the district attended to engage with the program's activities and gain insights. The training aimed to equip participants with valuable skills and knowledge to explore and seize entrepreneurial opportunities. The event underscored the college's commitment to fostering entrepreneurial spirit and quality education in the region.
It is also a loss for the nation, for the state, because any nation, any state can only go forward on the basis of productivity of its youth. Honorable Prime Minister of India and Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya Both are driven by the same vision, that youth should aspire to become job providers instead of job seekers. And that's basically about shifting the perspective, shifting how we approach livelihood, how we approach basically the entire career that is spawning in front of us. If you'll go to places like Gujarat, especially Gujarat and some parts of Maharashtra, you'll realize that government job is not really the most fancied career over there. It's not even a private job. Rather, it's the entrepreneurship, rather is creating their own business, is basically charting their own career, is what is most fascinating to them. In fact, so much so that the literacy rate amongst the Gujarati male youth especially is considerably lower than the other states of the country, for the simple reason because after class 12, after let's say their graduation, they drop out and they pursue their own business. So, I mean, I understand that it's easier said than done. It's easy to say that start your own business. It's easy to say that become a job provider. However, the entrepreneurship development center, as I have been given to understand, is basically to provide you the same confidence.
On 19th of August 2024, Nangba experienced a harrowing incident at Wakhet, Jowai, falling from the same location where he had previously fallen on April 1st. Remarkably, both incidents saw him narrowly escape death. The latest fall was witnessed by a young passerby who alerted nearby residents. Fire and emergency services along with civil defense personnel responded promptly. With the assistance of local shopkeepers, they rescued Nangba and transported him to Jowai Civil Hospital for medical attention. On August 19, 2024, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the newly established PA Sangma Rongjeng Model Degree College, named in the honor of his late father. The event marked a significant milestone for the region, with Conrad highlighting the benefits the college will bring to the youth of Rongjeng. He emphasized the importance of education and knowledge for future success, commending the timely completion of the college's construction. The Chief Minister praised the efforts of all those involved in bringing the project to fruition. He also reassured that the state government is committed to meeting the educational needs of students, providing opportunities to enhance their knowledge across various fields. The new college is expected to be a valuable asset in fostering academic growth and development in the area.
At the very outset, I would like to congratulate our Minister, Sri Rakham A. Sangma, and the entire department for having successfully completed the building and today made this building into a temple of education. I also would like to congratulate Mr. Jim Sangma, who has tirelessly worked towards ensuring that this particular college would be made functional at the earliest. As mentioned, education has been one of the top priorities of this government. And this particular inauguration of this college is only one small example of the many things that we have done for education, we are doing for education, and what we will be doing in the future to ensure that we are able to provide the best opportunity to our students and our youngsters to ensure that they get the best education that is possible.
On 18th of August 2024, alert troops from the 4th Battalion of BSF Meghalaya thwarted a significant smuggling attempt at the East Khasi Hills district border with Bangladesh. They seized cosmetics and clothing items valued at 58 lakhs. The goods were intercepted while being smuggled into Bangladesh, but the smugglers escaped amidst poor weather and darkness after being challenged by BSF personnel. The seized items were subsequently handed over to the customs office in Penursla for further action. In a separate operation, the 110th Battalion of BSF Meghalaya recovered 2 Bangladeshi wooden boats and 4 steel boats from the Omyam Shella River area. The boats were involved in an attempt to illegally cross into Indian territory for gravel and stone extraction. The effective operations underscore the vigilance and effectiveness of BSF in curbing smuggling activities. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.